Hi, my name is Drew Greenwald and I'm a Master of Social Work student. Sage Living is an independent living for young adults who have transitioned out of foster care. My role at Sage Living is to be a social worker who teaches life skills classes and also one-on-one for our psychosocial rehabilitation program. I taught classes on hygiene, cooking, budgeting, nutrition, finances for the future, how to get an apartment, how to apply for college. My goal for each client is for them to find their own pathway to success. I have gained experience with several interventions that social workers use, like motivational interviewing. It has helped me to manage my expectations as a professional and to learn how to meet clients where they're at. This field internship has offered me hands-on experience. I've enjoyed being able to work with the young adults and watch them become successful. And when I graduate, I would like to try to get hired to work with veterans and mental health. One day I would like to have my own private practice and to maybe teach at UCF. Thank you for watching Nightlife at UCF Chips.